the Philippines is taking a bold step toward true defense independence. The Armed Forces of the Philippines has established a new Ordnance Manufacturing Facility, a game-changing move under the country's Self-Reliant Defense Posture program, or SRDP. And as part of this vision, the Philippine Air Force Research and Development Center has successfully developed a locally made ordnance-carrying drone, a cost-effective, versatile, and deadly tool for both external defense and counter-terrorism operations. This is more than just a technological achievement. It's a powerful message that Filipino ingenuity, determination, and self-reliance are paving the way for a stronger and more independent national defense. To understand why this matters, let's take a step back. The Self-Reliant Defense Posture program is the Philippines' long-term strategy to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers for weapons, ammunition, and equipment. For decades, the AFP has depended heavily on imports, but SRDP seeks to develop local capabilities, from manufacturing small arms, ammunition, and armored vehicles, to building advanced platforms like drones, missile systems, and naval equipment. The creation of a dedicated ordnance manufacturing facility is a major milestone in this journey. It signals the country's commitment to producing its own defense systems rather than relying solely on costly and sometimes politically complicated foreign purchases. The new Ordnance Manufacturing Facility is designed to produce a wide range of munitions for the AFP. This means the Philippines can now begin to localize production of critical ammunition and ordnance, reducing costs, ensuring supply security, and strengthening the country's defense industry. With this facility, the AFP not only gains independence, but also lays the groundwork for future exports of locally made defense products, contributing to the economy and building partnerships with allies. Now let's talk about the highlight of this development, the Philippine-made ordnance-carrying drone. Developed by the Philippine Air Force Research and Development Center, this drone represents a huge leap in local defense technology. It's affordable, far cheaper than imported systems. It's versatile, able to carry and deploy ordnance against both external threats and local terrorist elements. And it's adaptable, meaning it can be scaled up or down depending on mission needs. This is not just a proof of concept. It's a combat-ready innovation designed to give the AFP a crucial edge in both modern warfare and counterinsurgency operations. In today's battlefields, drones are game changers. We've seen how drones are reshaping conflicts around the world, from reconnaissance and surveillance to precision strikes that cost only a fraction of traditional missile systems. For the Philippines, having an indigenous ordnance-carrying drone means being able to defend its skies and borders more efficiently. These drones can provide real-time surveillance of contested waters and remote areas, deliver precision strikes without risking pilot lives, and support anti-terrorist operations in rural and urban areas. And because they are locally made, the AFP can produce, maintain, and upgrade them without waiting for foreign approval or supply chains. This achievement is more than just hardware. It's a testament to Filipino innovation. Engineers, scientists, and soldiers work together to create something that reflects both technical skill and national pride. For the men and women of the AFP, this drone is proof that the Philippines can design, build, and operate advanced systems, not just purchase them from abroad. This is the spirit of SRDP in action, building capability at home with our own minds and hands. The new ordnance facility and drone project are just the beginning. In the future, we may see more advanced drones, missile systems, and even naval weapons produced locally. Each step brings the Philippines closer to true defense self-reliance. The success of the ordnance-carrying drone also opens doors for international collaboration, where allies might adopt or even co-develop technology with the Philippines. This is the vision of SRDP, a self-sufficient, modern, and resilient defense force. The establishment of the Ordnance Facility and the successful development of a locally made ordnance-carrying drone mark a new chapter in Philippine defense history. It's a story of innovation, determination, and independence. A story that proves the Philippines can build not only for today, but for the future. This is just the beginning of the country's journey toward true self-reliant defense. If you believe in supporting Filipino innovation and defense modernization, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates on the AFP and Philippine defense and modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.